This filter is freaking amazing for bass. Wow, there's all kinds of stuff going on there. Pretty silly. Hello and welcome back. G-Storm here. Today I'm going to introduce my Delta VCF module. It's a clone of the Korg Delta synthesizer, and this filter circuit also made an appearance in the Korg Poly-61. It was just a low pass in the Poly-61. Let's take a run through the features here and see what's going on. You have control over cutoff frequency, illuminated sliders, resonance, and two inputs just like my Jupiter 6 VCF, where you can mix two different waveforms together and you can attenuate or increase the gain for some filter saturation. They can actually overdrive the inputs to the filter section here. Two CV inputs, Korg called them FCM. That just means frequency cutoff, modulation. You have two inputs to modulate the frequency cutoff, and two attenuators, one for each of those jacks, and one output. You have selectable low pass and bandpass, just like on the original Delta. And you have 4-pole, which was the mode that the original Delta used. But it did not have 2-pole, but this one does. So let's see what this thing sounds like. I'm going to be taking the pulse out of my synthesizer box and just running it straight into the filter. This is 4-pole low pass. Let's kick the resonance up. All the way. All kinds of stuff going on there. Okay, let's do 2-pole. That's fun. Let's turn this gain all the way up so we're overdriving the filter. Let's go back to 4-pole mode, see what's going on. A quick run through the 2-pole halfway on the resonance. Okay, let's do some bandpass. And this goes for 2-pole or 4-pole. You can still change it. Let's go to 4-pole. Pretty silly. Remember, we're overdriving this. going to run a blade wave into the filter from my synthesizer box. The blade wave is nothing more than a sawtooth, but it has extra teeth that are modulated by an LFO. Alright, let's put some CVs into it and see what's going on. Let's add a modulation. I have the Variegate 4 is feeding, down here is Basel Skis, a decay envelope to it, so this is if you were making a bass line or something. Let's add a sub-oscillator to my waveform. Pretty sweet. Let's do a sequence and see what that sounds like in there. Now I'm running my blade wave, pulse width modulation, and a sub-oscillator all into the filter at once. I'm also running the output into Basel's VCA. Now let's add some sample and hold to the other CV input.